Hi mga ka-Realms at welcome to Divas Realms, Cards, Toys, Gospel, and Travel. At magbubukas tayo another pack ng Pokemon Mega Evolution Pitch Black. Pero bago yon, syempre unahin muna natin ang Panginoon. At sabi nga sa Psalms 27:5, Psalms 91:1, Psalms 63 and 7, and Matthew 6:25 to 26, in this version or in the compromise version, I praise you, Lord, for your stubborn love and wisdom. You are too wise to ever make a mistake, too loving to ever do anything unkind. My heart rejoices in you, Lord, for you are my strong shelter in times of trouble, danger, and stress. You are my hiding place. At maraming salamat mga ka-Realms. Tayo dumako ngayon sa ating pagbubukas ng isang pack ng Pitch Black. At syempre, alam naman natin na I think this month yata, this August, lalabas na yung Storm Emeralda o ano bang English, ano nun, basta Storm Emeralda na ano ko, na si request sa ang inano. Tayo, pang 13 pack pa lang natin to ng Pitch Black dahil ang hirap maghanap. At kung may magbenta man, isa, dalawa lang at minsan wala pa. So dahil nakabili tayo, ito, magbubukas tayo ngayon. Maraming salamat sa nabilihan natin at SRP. Kung saan man yun, alam niyo na po yun. Ilan naman ng ano natin yan eh. Pero let's dive into our pack opening this day. And I hope and pray that God bless you, keep you safe, and provide for you always. Now, I want to shout out sa Pokemon for doing this kind of design sa code card. So, hindi lang siya tinatapong kagad kasi collectible na rin siya for me kasi gusto ko yung sana marami pa, hindi lang 4 or 5 ano. So dahil hinahanap natin si Darkrai sa Pitch Black na to, ay Darkness Energy, fighting. Okay, let's see. Drillbur, Poplio, Antique Skull Fossil, meron tayo lahat ito. Bombardier, I think yeah, meron tayo ito. Ito to Canon, meron na tayo niyan ay. Bronzong, I think ito wala. Slowbro, I think kailangan natin to. Jinx, Reversalo, kailangan natin to. And sinit siya. I think we need this also. And Miraidon, regular rare. Well, you cannot win them all, pero bago tayo magtapos mga ka-Realm, syempre pasukan natin ito. If worship is just one of the things we do, everything becomes mundane. If worship is the one thing we do, everything takes on eternal significance, sabi nga ni Timothy Christensen. So the question for this day is, what step can you take so that you will have a more worshipful heart? So maraming salamat mga ka-Realms for joining us sa ating pagbubukas ng one pack ng Pitch Black. At syempre may nakuha pa tayo, pero I think we need to, kailangan natin itong i-sealed lang. Kasi sayang, malay mo, di ba? Pero tingnan natin kung tayo ay mangati ang ating mga kamay, baka buksan natin yan. Pero for now, ay hindi mo natin siya bubuksan. So that's it. Again mga ka-Realms, this is Divas Realm, Cards, Toys, Gospel, and Travel. God bless you all and stay safe always. Bye!